us is that village and town are both parts of Salem. So what would it be like if you saw all of Salem at one time? So if I can borrow that, so we can remember, all of Salem is now fuchsia, burgundy, something. So if you look at the dots that are circled, that simply means that nothing changed there. That's exactly the same point. So you have here, 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 one that goes all the way up to 17, which would be technically off of our board. And then we drop back down here where you only had the town in the first place. So just to see what would happen and what model would best fit all of the data together, we're going to try this out.
Again, we'll model this with our computers, but if we were going to hand sketch a model, it could be a very steep linear line, possibly, right? Or
it could be.
Or it could be an exponential model. Any of those probably. Oh, we don't do purple.
Purple.
Okay.
Let's get it.
Let's do it purple. Let's go crazy here. Anyway, it'd go up here somewhere like this.
Kind of a tape.
Oh, it's purple tape. I'm lucky. There.
Alright, so that would be an exponential. So it hits, it's close, it's probably really close to that one that's off the graph technically. And who knows what happened down here. That's for you to figure out, or that's for me to figure out. Which actually, I kind of did some research, and there's like a judge that comes to town, and everybody really gets scared because things start to get real. And the other thing that I wanted to tell you, that I forgot to tell you, is that these months are particularly important because do you see that they stopped at 9? So all of this started in the winter, and then it stopped at 9. So if any of you who played You're Accused and you decided you wanted to get pregnant, worked out pretty well for you. Because by the time your baby had come to term, this whole thing was over. So, congratulations, I guess you're saying. Even Nash, who said he wanted to have a baby as well. So,
I hope this helps you construct your the graph of your functions, and again, we'll model this with some technology.
Yeah, even I had a lot of fun doing this, and you're going to get to do all the nice handy-dandy computer stuff, so you can be sure if you have a linear or a more exponential, you're just going to pick the best one, and he's got all the directions for that. So I'm going to give you a lot of options in class today, and I'm going to send you on your way, and you have options of something in history, something biological, anything in English that we've covered that you would like to try out, and then, I don't know, if there's any like mathematics, you could graph mathematics. Well, what do you think about that?
It sort of is my
You think about that.
Okay.
So, I'm going to give you some options, I'm going to set you free, and we'll talk about what's next later. Thanks, Matthew.